Welcome to the Bruce Museum's Fall Family Day, Floating with the Bruce. My name is Diana Rafferty, and I'm an educator at the Bruce Museum. Before we get started with our activity today, I'm going to give you a quick overview of our exhibition, House on the Hill, The Changing Face of the Bruce Museum. This exhibition explores how the building of the Bruce Museum has transformed over the past century and a half. It includes numerous historical images which show the evolution of the structure from a personal mansion to a modern museum, highlighting the intersections of art and science. I encourage you and your adult to come down to the Bruce Museum to explore this exhibition, which is up until October 11th. If you simply cannot wait, you can visit the website www.houseonthehillexhibition.com. Today, we will be making our own postcard based on the Bruce Museum's building. So let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do for our project today is we're going to download and print out a template for a postcard. As you can see, there are two boxes here. There's one that's completely blank, and then there's one that's blank on one part. You can write a note there, and then you could put an address and a stamp, just like you would on any postcard. If you can't download or print this out for whatever reason, please feel free to use whatever you have at home already, whether that's white printer paper, construction paper, whatever you already have. When I went looking for the picture that I wanted to draw on my postcard, I wanted to make sure that it had a picture of the Bruce Museum, since that's what we've been talking about, the building itself. So I went and I searched through brucemuseum.org, which is our website, and I found this really neat picture. So there's the building there in the background, right? But also there's a dinosaur and a totem pole. These are some of the first things that you see when you pull in our driveway up to the Bruce Museum, and I thought that was pretty neat. So after I finished my drawing, I made sure to write a note to my friend. It says, "Dear Rob, I had a lot of fun learning and drawing at the Bruce Museum. I hope you can join me soon. Diana." I'm going to put his address over here when I'm done. Now, I know that this looks a little bit different from this, and that's because once I was done drawing and writing my note, I made sure to fold my paper in half so that the image was on one side and the note was on the other. I used some glue, some clear school glue, but you can use glue stick, whatever you already have. And I put it right here in the middle, right? And then I closed it down and pressed it shut so that glue stayed. And then I have my completed postcard. Now, I worked pretty hard on this, and I had a lot of fun doing it. And while it may not be the best picture I've ever drawn, it was a lot of fun, and I want to show it off. So I'm going to be taking a picture of this, and I'm going to be putting it up online, and I'm going to use a hashtag Bruce Museum. So that way the folks at the Bruce Museum can see it and see the kind of creativity that they've inspired, but also so other people can see it and appreciate the hard work that I put into my art. Now, if you would like to do that, please make sure that you talk to your adult first before you post anything online. Otherwise, have a great family day.